Starting a fashion blog can be an exciting venture for fashion enthusiasts and those passionate about sharing their style and trends. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, identify your niche. The fashion industry is vast, covering everything from haute couture to streetwear, sustainable fashion, plus-size fashion, and even fashion on a budget. Identifying your niche will help you target a specific audience and stand out from the crowd. Next, choose your blogging platform. Popular platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and Wix offer customizable templates and are user-friendly for beginners. Consider what each platform offers in terms of design flexibility, cost, and ease of use before making your decision. After choosing your platform, it's time to pick a domain name. Your domain name should be catchy, memorable, and reflect your blog's niche. Once you've selected a domain, purchase it through a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Creating compelling content is the heart of your fashion blog. Focus on producing high-quality, visually appealing posts. Invest in a good camera or smartphone with a great camera and learn basic photography skills to enhance the visual appeal of your blog. Write engaging posts with a unique voice and ensure your content is relevant to your audience. Regularly update your blog to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. Promote your blog on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience and engaging with readers. Use it to showcase your latest blog posts, behind-the-scenes content, and interact with your followers. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers in the fashion industry. Networking can help you gain exposure, attract new readers, and learn from others. Consider guest posting on popular fashion blogs or inviting guest bloggers to contribute to your blog. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Building a successful fashion blog takes time and consistent effort. Monitor your blog's performance using tools like Google Analytics to understand what works and what doesn't, and be willing to adapt your strategy as needed. With passion, creativity, and dedication, you can turn your fashion blog into a thriving online presence.